Well, welcome back, everybody. Yeah, Christmas, New Year's. New Year's is right around the corner, and just wanted to wish everybody a Merry Christmas and hopefully a Happy New Year. I had a great Christmas with my family. Yeah, it was just a really nice time to get together, and it was a nice break. Anyways, yeah, just gonna show you what I was up to today. It is December, geez Louise, 28th or something like that. Anyways, Saturday. It's nice out. It's kind of actually raining out for up north here in Ontario, just outside of Thunder Bay. It's actually raining. So anyhow, okay. Getting to the boat. Here we go. So I have got the bow covered with some 1/4-inch plywood, and actually it was a bit of a pain. Had to cut a couple pieces, well, one extra piece because I really goofed it up. But I think these pieces are going to be okay. At least I can use them for mocking up everything else that I need to do. I was still hoping to cover it with aluminum. I mean, I could put aluminum over top of this, I guess. But anyhow, this is what she looks like. And it's a little wet right here. Oh, right there. Leaky roof. Well, the roof doesn't leak, it's just moisture. But that's what she looks like. Little different, eh? Like, looks pretty cool. It's 7 feet long. Well, 7'1" actually. So a little different from an Alumacraft, I guess, standard. You can see though, there's the hump in here, and it's right around here. And because I left the original inside cockpit area that I was talking about in the video probably a month ago. But I wish it wasn't like this. I wish it was more gradual or whatever. And then this is pretty flat. So yeah, I mean, it is what it is. You can see the angle there now. But you know what? Whatever. I mean, it's kind of a concept that I thought about, and I still have to trim underneath here. Like I'm just gonna use a router, take the steering wheel back off, and then use a router and then trim it to the aluminum. And I have actually, these screws have to come out, and I have to recess everything and properly putty fill it and do that. If I'm leaving it the way it is right now, I have to a lot of putty filling and make it look pretty and whatever. So if I leave it like this, yeah, we'll see. I don't know. Probably will leave it kind of like this, because by the time I get this boat done, if the weather holds, stays warm, it's supposed to cool off again. But yeah, I mean, I'm working outside. It's plus, well, it's probably 0 Celsius. So yeah, 32. So it's not too bad. I mean, but yeah, if it gets super cold, like, you know, -10, then that's too cold. Here, I'm gonna pull the camera a bit closer. Yeah, that's not as jerky. Anyways, okay, so one thing I did do as well, and that wasn't today, but it was a few weeks ago, is the throttles. So there's the throttles there. Trying to get a good camera angle on this. Change that there. So anyways, okay. So there's the throttles. I haven't hooked up the cables yet, but it's a nice angle. So when you're sitting on the seat, the steering wheel's nice. The throttles are right there. That's the levers to go forward, neutral, and reverse. And yeah, I just built up this plate here, and then so now I gotta put the cables on. And OMC says the proper way to do the cables is if you measure from like the back side of the throttle plate here, or the throttle mechanism, measure all the way along, and then if you measure to the center of the engine, so from here, and then of course following the gunnel, and then turning this way. But then you have to add 3 feet. So I know it sounds like a lot, but I guess what happens is the cables come here, and then they do like a loop, and so they loop around and then head to the shifter, and then the other one kind of goes here, and I think it does the same thing. It kind of does like a service loop, and then comes this way, and then it's for the motors to go side to side. So, but that's what OMC says. It's I'm pretty sure it's 3 feet. I can double check that in the manual. I have the manual in a box around here someplace, probably in the shop. But then that takes all the guesswork out of it. If you just go from the throttle quadrant right to the center of the motor and add 3 feet, right? So that's kind of nice. Anyways, that's it's kind of what she looks like. A little bit different, eh? But yeah, you can really see that hump there. Yeah, you can really see it, especially when I go down low like that. But you know what? I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I? Nah, I don't know. I don't know what to do. Probably just live with it. Don't be so picky, right? Anyhow, okay. Well, it's going to be a short video today. Oh yeah, I don't know if I showed you this either. I did fix the angle of this the trailer here. So now, yeah. So now it's a lot more. Yeah, now it's a lot more straight, and it's kind of lifting it so it doesn't bind. And I just put in this 2 chunks of steel here. I don't think that's going anywhere. You know, I'll try to keep it under 100 miles an hour on the highway, and we should be good to go. Okay, so what else was I gonna say? I cannot remember. Yeah, just I thought I'd show you the boat. I don't know how much I really will be working on it. Maybe it's not going to be done until March. I don't know. Yeah, you can see here I got to trim a lot of wood off here if I decide to keep this, and then I kind of messed this up. There'd be a trim piece going in here, but this stuff's not expensive. I can make 4 or 5 of these without breaking the bank. But yeah, so I think it's coming along. Looks pretty cool. There's still enough room for at least 5 people. I'm gonna put 2 more chairs. I could put 3 almost on the back here, or nothing at all, whatever. But and I did leave the front seat in. I just didn't. I don't know. I didn't want to mess with the boat that much, because to put the boat back to its original condition now would take nothing. I mean, if somebody takes it after me, or one of the kids doesn't want it anymore, and they want to sell it to somebody, or when I'm gone, yeah, it would take nothing for somebody to put this thing back to its original form, because I really haven't messed with it that much. But yeah, let me know what you think. I never say subscribe, comment, blah, 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 and stuff like that. But I do like to hear your comments. And of course, subscribing would be good, because someday it would be nice to get paid if I do a whole bunch of videos. And yeah, when I retire, it'd be nice to put out a lot of videos. If you guys find this relatively entertaining. But anyhow, yeah, hope you had a great Christmas, and safe and happy New Year to you and your family. Okay, take care. Bye for now.